everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Anne. If you are a regular subscriber, hi! My little girl is not here today, she's at school. I'm going to be just doing my own hair. If you are new to us, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, because then you won't miss any styles coming up soon. My friend Beth has done a gorgeous hairstyle on her little girl, and we thought it'd be really nice to see how it looked if you did it as a do-it-yourself style. So I'm doing it on my own hair. So this is the style that we're going to do. Really cute. I'd love to know where you would wear this style. Maybe to a wedding as a wedding guest, possibly if you're going to a special birthday party, or now COVID restrictions are lifting, just going to somebody's house and getting dressed up. Okay, let's get started. So to begin this style, I've washed my hair, I've made it nice and clean, and I've added 2 pumps of this. This is really great at giving your hair a little bit of extra lift, a bit of a root boost. I've dried my hair, and then I have used some of this to give it a bit of sheen and control any of the flyaways. I'm going to be using this comb today. This comb is my most talked about thing in my videos, I think, quite often. And I'm going to add a link to this in the description box below. You can get 10% off if you use my code 2little hairstyle. Oh, 2little. So I'll add links to all of these things in the description box below, because I know you're going to want to ask questions about them. Okay, so to begin the style, I'm going to take my 2 fingers and I'm going to pull my hair around. Now, my friend Beth has done this exact same style on her little girl. Her hair is much longer than my hair, and it is quite tricky to get the style to look exactly the same. So I'm doing it as a half-up style, which is still really pretty, the same technique. But if you want to see it as a fully updo, if you click up here, I'll add a link to her channel and you can go and find it. So I've just pulled the hair round. I'm going to take this hair tie now, and I'm going to pull my hair through again, and then on the 3rd time through, I'm going to pull it up, but I'm going to sort of pull it to the side slightly, like that. And then I'm going to fan it out. Okay, so I get like a bit of a chignon-y bun, but a bit on the side slightly. So with the tails of that ponytail, I'm going to carefully split them into 3 pieces, making sure that they're equal, because obviously I've got quite a lot of front hair there and I want to make the braid as long as possible. So I'm just going to braid it in a 3-strand braid, and I'm going to tug on those edges to make it a little bit more full, and it gives it a lot more shape and volume. When I get to the end, I'm going to tie it off with a black elastic. I normally use clear elastics in my daughter, but with my hair, I find that the black elastics are a lot better because they're a little bit more discreet and they are a little bit more hidden in case you can't hide them properly. So just going back and tugging it a little bit more. And then I'm going to take that end and tuck it into the loop that I made with the ponytail. So I'm going to tuck it through that little hole in that loop and then just pin it down into place on the side. And then I'm going to do some more pinning on the other side too. I'm also going to add some pins to the braid and just keep it all sitting in place to hide that bobble that I used originally. Now, because I'm working on the back of my head, it is a little bit tricky to see what I'm doing, guys. It's really hard to see the back of your head all the time. So, you know, it's handy to have one of these little mirrors so you can keep looking behind you and taking it to a mirror. So I'm using the mirror by the window there so I can see a lot more clearly. And then just pinning that bit. So I've got a bit of a sticky out bit there. I think it came out of the braid. So I'm just twizzling it around to kind of catch all the little bits, and then just getting the bobby pin to tuck it down, keep it out of the way, giving it a tug, and that's it. Okay, so here's the finished spin. Super easy to do, really cute. I hope you like it. Till next time, take care, bye. So tell me, guys, what do you think? Are you liking seeing these do-it-yourself hairstyles? Here is a beautiful Bailey with her all updo, and you can find that video on this link just here. Let me know in the comments below what you'd like to see next.